Finally, an award with a difference to a teacher this time. I think it's the first time we've ever awarded a teacher. And I would like to ask Mrs. Rachel Passmore from the University of Auckland to come and explain this award for Mr. Chandar. So Mr. Chandar, could you come up too, please?
Well, thank you very much for inviting me here tonight. It's been wonderful to see so many fantastic students walking across the stage, and it's therefore no surprise that you must have some amazing teachers at this school. So it gives me very great pleasure tonight to reward one of your teachers, and he is going to be the recipient of the inaugural Margaret and John Kalman Charitable Trust Teaching Prize. Now, this award is to recognise the achievements of secondary school teachers of mathematics and statistics in the Auckland region. John Kalman was a professor of mathematics at the University of Auckland from 1964 to 1993, and he was a leading promoter of mathematics in New Zealand. And the trust set up to honour his name is to support mathematics teaching in the Auckland region. The selection panel this year had a really hard job, as all applications were a very, very high standard. So selecting the two winners was a very challenging task. One of the selection panel's criteria was the introduction of teaching innovations that have demonstrated new ways of presenting mathematical concepts and making them more fun to learn and easier to comprehend. It is safe to say that Mr. Chandar classroom is probably very different to the mathematics classroom that your parents experienced. His YouTube videos, teaching activities using Desmos, and particularly his use of Sphero robots have all meant that Mr. Chandar students experience mathematics in a stimulating and engaging environment. I should also note that, but the selection panel didn't know that when we were awarding the winners, was that the other recipient of this prize was actually Mr. Chandar's own Year 13 teacher. And she was his associate teacher during teacher training. So it's a real sort of nice that both of them were recognised in the same year. And as part of this award, Mr. Chandar is invited to spend half a day at the University of Auckland with 30 of his students so that you can come and see what mathematics at Auckland Uni is like. So once again, if you'd like to join me in congratulating Mr. Chandar for this award.